Say good morning. Say good morning. Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to be doing a day in my life vlog, quarantine edition. We are stuck at home, and this is Hammy, by the way. I don't know if he's ever been introduced on my channel before, but I just got up, hence the crazy hair, no makeup. I'm still in my pajamas, and it is feeding time for Hammy. The first thing I do when I get out of the room is feed him, or my husband will feed him if he's up first, but my husband's still sleeping. So yeah, this is just gonna be kind of like a follow us around vlog around the house of what we're doing to stay occupied while we are quarantined and can't go anywhere. And if you hear him meowing, he's not gonna shut up until I feed him. So I'm gonna go ahead and feed him, and then I will tune back in when something maybe a little more interesting is happening. So one thing I'll say about this cat is he never used to be picky about what he ate because we rescued him, but the longer we had him, the pickier he became. So the only wet food that he eats is ocean fish, white ocean fish, and tuna. He used to eat chicken and turkey and pretty much whatever because he was just grateful for food. But now he has become picky because he is a spoiled little baby, but we love him. And he is probably going to be featured a lot in this video because he keeps us entertained all day. So be on the lookout for more Hammy videos. Okay, so we got the goods going. We got the turkey bacon on, and we've got some French toast cooking. Got the rest of the French toast over there. So it's just fun to be able to like actually have time to make breakfast in the morning for my husband and I, because I don't get to do this typically ever. It might be making him a coffee or something, but you know, usually it's just grab a granola bar, grab a coffee or something, and we're out the door and headed to work. So the quarantine has been nice to just slow everything down and like actually take time to do things. So it's really nice. So I'm just gonna finish cooking this and I will show you when it's all done. All right, breakfast is done. The hubby is awake.
Good morning.
This is Derek. You guys have met him if you've watched my other videos, but just so I don't always refer to him as husband, that's Derek. So we're going to enjoy some food, and we'll check back in with you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, so we got the yoga mats out, and we're gonna do some exercise. We gotta stay fit during the quarantine. So we are doing a fitness blender, no equipment, upper body workout, and upper body and cardio workout. So we're gonna hit it and do this thing. And we've got our cheerleader over here watching and encouraging us. So let's get started.
I'm exhausted.
We just finished our workout, and it might have looked pathetically easy because we're not using weights, but let me tell you, it is definitely challenging because you're like working against yourself. So I highly recommend checking out Fitness Blender. They're no equipment upper body workouts because they're killer, and it's great for while you're at home quarantined and don't have the gym to go to. So we're exhausted and gonna take a minute to recover. Dun 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 dun. All right, so we're done working out. I actually just kind of cleaned up the apartment a little bit because we're home like all the time now, and so it gets dirty a lot faster. So normally I would just kind of clean up once a week, or we would clean up once a week, you know, sweep and mop and all that good stuff. But with us being home, the floors are getting dirty, there's dust, and I just like can't stand it. So I just like took the vacuum and vacuumed up some of Hampton's fur and just some of the dust and whatnot. So now I'm going to relax for a little bit. You know, with the quarantine, I'm trying to find a good balance between taking advantage of this time and like doing nothing, but also being productive, getting stuff done, catching up on things that I can from home, making more videos, uploading more YouTube videos. So definitely staying active with that. But It's about 12:30, so I'm gonna relax for a little bit, watch some Netflix. I've been binging some Grey's Anatomy. I've already seen all of it, but I'm watching it again. Comment below your favorite series you've been binging during the quarantine because I would love to know. But yeah, so I'm gonna binge a little Netflix, probably make some lunch. We made tacos yesterday, so I think I might have a taco with like a side salad. I've got like this kale salad mix that I might have with it, so we'll probably have lunch. Derek's on a phone call right now. I have no idea who with, so I'm just gonna chill for a little bit and we'll catch back in with you guys in a little bit.
Yes.
Look at that stud muffin. What are we doing?
We're going on a bike ride.
Going on a bike ride. Getting some fresh air. Don't worry, we won't be near anybody. Just ourselves. We will keep our distance according to the CDC. But some fresh air certainly makes the days at home a lot better. So we're gonna go for a little bike ride and we're gonna take you guys along. All right, we are ready. I don't know how this is gonna work. I kind of like wanna.
Want to go that way first?
No, I just set my bike up wrong. Okay, I'm backing up. You ready to take over?
I'm ready.
So we're back from our bike ride. It's nice and sweaty because it was pretty warm out there and humid. So we're gonna start making some dinner. It is a little bit early, but I kind of just want to get dinner out of the way so I don't have to worry about it. We're gonna make a like lo mein broccoli teriyaki kind of chicken. I've never made this before, but it looks pretty good. So we'll see how it goes. This cat loves his food. You hungry? Are you hungry? He's like, please sir, give me some food. Say please sir.
Let's see it. Come on. Let's see the super strength.
We're just gonna...
Let's see the super strength. Nice.
Now I made a mess.
It's okay.
Actually, there was only one piece that flew. I'm that good. Alright, the
what's next?
spaghetti is in the water. Should I make the whole box? No?
You're good.
No, don't make the whole box?
No.
Alright. So we've got our sauce here. I just have to grate up some ginger. Ow. Alright. So in the sauce, it's got the cocoa aminos, the hoisin sauce, sesame oil, red pepper flakes, black pepper, brown sugar, and then ginger, which I don't have in there yet. So we're gonna work on that. And then I also need to get the chicken going, so. Okay, it says half a teaspoon. I'm just gonna eyeball it, and I'm not putting a lot in because I don't really love the flavor of ginger that much. So, just got a little microplane grater, and I'm gonna call that about good. Ooh, don't forget to stir your spaghetti so it doesn't get all clumped up. That's the worst thing when you have just clumps of spaghetti together. So make sure to stir it. All right, so I've got the chicken cooked and I just put the carrots in there to kind of soften those up a little bit. The spaghetti is done and the broccoli is done. So now it's really just mixing it all together. Oh, and our sauce is waiting. So it smells so freaking good and I am so excited. So we're gonna piece it all together here. You can take that.
Yes, go for it.
Alright, so we're adding the spaghetti to the chicken, carrots, and garlic. The chicken I cut up into strips before I cooked it. Alright, so the spaghetti's in there. I'm going to turn it down because we just want to heat it up. So mix that. I feel like I need a bigger pan. This is about to get messy. Okay, we're just going to add the sauce before I try to mix all that. Okay. And that's it. Dinner is ready. All right, dinner is served.
Oh yeah.
We are going to eat it on the couch and watch some TV, but it looks delicious, so we cannot wait to dive in. All right, final words before we end this day in our life.
Anything, Hammy?
He's so lazy. I hope we weren't too boring today. There's only so much that you can do when you're at home all day. But we hope it was entertaining enough for you guys and you enjoyed us cooking dinner and going for a bike ride. And I think we are eating way too much food, but that's okay. So, any final words?
Nope. Thanks for watching.
All right, guys, we'll see you in our next video. Bye.